Hello everyone, Percy number 6 here with an unboxing video on something I've never done on this channel. It's Care Bears. They just celebrated their 40th anniversary in 2022 and they introduced a special edition Care Bear for the year. It's the Care-a-Lot Bear. I bought two of them. One I'm going to open here, the other I'm going to leave in the box. So the Care-a-Lot Bear, let's pull it up. Very unique one. It shimmers, as it says, the exclusive shimmer effect, and you can kind of see it as you get close up, and when we open it up you'll see it even better. But has the most magic and belly badge powers of all the bears. So here's the little bio on the back describing Care-a-Lot Bear. Care-a-Lot Bear is never afraid to show how much she cares. Her passion to care for her neighbors and her community, bringing kindness and love to everyone she meets, is what she cares about the most. Very first bear to exist in the magical kingdom of Care-a-Lot. It's funny because if you watch the second movie they made, that's not true. But also if you watch the second movie, they have the Care Bears and the Care Bear cousins growing up together, and in the first movie that was not the case. So not the first time the Care Bears universe didn't make sense, but that's okay. I think this is definitely a unique bear. I definitely like the belly badge they have here for the Care-a-Lot Bear. Now, it does come with a certificate of authenticity. I saw two versions of this. There was another one where it's just like a regular box, like they have for pretty much all the other Care Bears of this size that they've been releasing, but I like this one a little bit better, and you get to see the certificate of authenticity. You can in the other one, that's why I chose to get these. So I've got this trusty plastic knife. Hopefully I don't cut myself this time. I'm gonna try opening this up. Now this box was just slightly damaged compared to the other one. Unfortunately, I like this one better because that one's standing up straight on its own, while this one I have to kind of push back to stand up. But oh well, I rather have that than this spot that was slightly damaged here, if you can tell. So anyway, we're gonna try to open up the Care-a-Lot Bear. This one's going so much more smoother than other unboxings have on this channel. Thank goodness. So, alright, now here it is a little bit closer before we get everything out. Let's try and get the certificate of authenticity out first if I can. Hopefully I don't need a cut to open this up, but we'll try to do it on camera, even though, you know, if you can't see it, I'll do it off camera. Give me 1 second. Okay, we are back. I opened up Care-a-Lot Bear herself too, but we'll start with the certificate of authenticity. So this is the front part. I guess you get a closer look at it here, and I can read it. This certificate hereby verifies the authenticity of the accompanying Care-a-Lot Bear plush. This special edition 40th anniversary Care Bear commemorates 40 years of making the world a more caring place. I really like the logo they came up with for this. I think it's a very good representation of old Care Bears while, you know, showing the modern days. This is the back, just a certificate of authenticity, Care Bear's 40th with the Care-a-Lot Bear on it. I think I'll probably leave this in the plastic. I don't know why I would take it out. It doesn't look like there's anything inside of this, so I'm just gonna leave it there. So here she is herself. This is Care-a-Lot Bear. I noticed here in the leg, because like as you can see with this Care-a-Lot Bear, they try to show the 40th part of her foot. So this is how it came in the box. So this part really doesn't have any stuffing here. You kind of can see that on camera, especially compared to this one. Like I said, I do like the belly badge. I think this was a creative decision. Very, you know, it's shimmery, as it says, the shimmer effect. But like it doesn't feel like, my biggest worry when I saw it this way was like it would be like glitter and it would just be all over the place. That's really not the case. So I have a couple Care Bears to compare her to. We'll start with the true first Care Bear on there. True Heart Bear. Now this is a modern True Heart Bear. So True Heart Bear compared to Care-a-Lot Bear, let's sit them down. Here, we'll use the inbox Care-a-Lot Bear as a spot for them to sit so we can get a nice look at them. you definitely can see the similarities and difference between the two. Their mouths are almost identical. This just doesn't go up all the way for Care-a-Lot Bear, but they look very similar. You really can't tell a difference between the two, other than, I mean, obviously you can tell that they're different Care Bears, but it's not like they really made this any different from any of the other Care Bears they're currently releasing, other than it having the 40th on here, because True Heart Bear doesn't have that on either of her feet. But yeah, I mean, this is pretty nice. We'll put, and then I want to pull out one that like they released in like the early 2000s. We'll take True Heart Bear away for a second. Here's Harmony Bear. So just like a comparison between the two, they're both a shade of purple. You know, this one's definitely got more of the modern feel. This, I don't know, it doesn't seem too different. Height-wise, if I can, they look about, oh, it looks like Harmony is taller, but yeah, it just looks like Harmony's taller. I kind of like the faces more, but from what I've seen with this line, it can be inconsistent. Like, some of the faces are really different, and I just don't like. I know, like, Friend Bear I saw has her tongue sticking out. I just don't like that look. But, like, the face here for Care-a-Lot Bear, I think it's a really good face for her. Harmony Bear is like most of the Care Bears in this line, especially the Care Bears. The cousins were a little different, but most of the Care Bears have that expression of the face. Because I don't have any of them with me to go over and look at each and every one. I think Grumpy was probably the only like different one because his face was frowning. But yeah, generally, you know, I do like this new line, how they've been doing that, how they've been giving them a more unique faces. But like I said, they're hit or miss. Kind of like the new Thomas Wooden Railway line. Like, the faces are hit or miss, but at least they're trying something different. I do like this. I think this is a nice Care Bear. I was looking, I guess they made one for the 25th anniversary, so 15 years ago, in 2007, they made it. I know it's technically 16 because this is 2023, but when this came out, it was 2022. So I do like it. I think it's a cool idea to do the Care Bear that created Care-a-Lot, or the first Care Bear in Care-a-Lot, even though to the right is the true Care Bear, the True Heart Bear, who was the first Care Bear in Care-a-Lot. But regardless, yeah, I like this. I think you really can't go wrong. Like I said, it's not glittery, it's shimmery. And this is unique, because from what I've seen in the toy line, I don't see any other Care Bears like this, frankly, any Care Bears in general. But yeah, I personally enjoy it. Nice to have to the Care Bear collection, the Care Bear family, if you will. So I don't know the next time I'll do an unboxing like this. I don't know if I ever really will. I don't, it's not like Thomas Wooden Railway. I definitely don't, at least today. You know, I have the Care Bears from when I was a kid, but I don't really go out of my way to get Care Bears anymore. But when it's a 40th anniversary one like this, you gotta get it. I was able to get these for a good deal through my employer, so it just made sense for me to get both of them and keep one in box, keep one out of box. And yeah, here is one last time. Here's the Care-a-Lot Bear. Do I recommend getting it? Yeah, of course. You can never go wrong getting a limited edition one of these. I know they're still available. You can get them at Walmart, you can find them on Amazon, and you can find them, I'm sure, plenty of other places as well. But that's all I have. Thank you all for watching. This is Percy number 6. I hope you have a great day.